SecureLayer7. My overall experience is good, especially in terms of learning and growth. I have worked on responsive design, API integration and optimization. I feel well supported through regular feedback, guidance and opportunities. Flexible working hours and trust-based result-driven culture empower me to do my best. Failures are welcome and respected, and growth opportunities are fair and performance-based. The company truly fosters a safe, inclusive and respectful environment for women. Being trusted with responsibilities has made me more confident and independent. And supportive culture and meaningful work keep me motivated every day.